Getting into AI right now feels overwhelming for most people. There are new tools every week, new frameworks, new opportunities, and everyone is trying to convince you their way is the only one that matters. And half the time it's tied to some life-changing $100,000 AI program that will turn you into a genius overnight, which isn't true. So let's simplify this. In this video, I will be breaking down the 5 most realistic ways to get into AI and actually make money, whether you are starting from zero or already building skills. AI prompt engineering. This isn't just about writing fancy prompts or talking to ChatGPT. Prompt engineering is about understanding systems, how AI breaks down tasks, and loops back feedback for optimization. The real skill is being able to translate a business problem into clear, structured AI instruction that actually gets result. Every company, whether they know it or not, will need someone who can do it. Someone who can structure prompts for their agents, train LLMs from their data, or fine-tune models. You might not start your career as a prompt engineer, but you will need this skill no matter which AI path you take, whether you are building tools, automatic systems, or consulting for businesses. Prompt engineering is the foundation of everything that comes next. So start experimenting with ChatGPT Advanced, data analysis, cloud, and different AI models. Train your brain to think like a system, not just a user. AI voice and chat agents. AI voice and chat agents are exploding right now, from AI receptionists to outbound callers to customer support reps. Businesses are replacing repetitive work with systems that actually perform. And here's the craziest part of this. Most small businesses don't even know how to set this up. They're answering calls manually or using outdated chatbots that frustrate customers. And that's where you come in. You can build and sell these agents using tools like Vapi, OpenAI Real-Time API, Relevance AI, or VoiceFlow, and charge clients for setup, integration, and maintenance. And if you focus on real results, clients don't care if you are 18 or 40. They will pay well if your system saves them time or money. So niche down and pick one industry, either it's real estate, SaaS, or commerce, and become the AI agent guy for that niche. AI content creation. Now let's talk about the most scalable skill of all, AI content creation. If you look at people like Iman Ghazi or any strong personal brand, you will realize content is the leverage. One video, one post, one message can change your entire life. And now with AI, you can go from ideas to script to voice to design in hours instead of weeks. And here's how. You can use ChatGPT or Cloud to generate your scripts ideas, run them through 11 Labs or Morph AI for voiceover, design your thumbnails using Leonardo AI or Nano Banana. If you post consistently, especially on YouTube or Twitter, you will build authority while building income streams. And if you want me to go deep into how content creation with AI works, let me know in comments, because this topic is vast and it deserves its own video. AI automation agency. This is where things start getting serious. And this is also what we specialize at Zivon. An AI automation agency helps businesses automate their workflow, operation, and repetitive tasks using tools like Make, Annotate, and Zapier. You can literally help businesses qualify leads, onboard clients, and send reports automatically. And the best part of this, you don't even need to code. These tools are mostly visual, drag and drop, connect, and done. We have built systems that save clients hundreds of hours every single month, and that's what businesses care about: time, accuracy, and clarity. So if you are serious about building a real AI service, the automation agency model is the one for you. AI SaaS and micro products. Now if you are more of a builder, this one's for you. AI SaaS doesn't mean building the next OpenAI or Cloud. It's about building small, focused tools that solve a specific problem for a specific needs. You can use Bolt, Rebuild IT agents, or Builder.ai to create, launch micro SaaS products even without deep coding skills. The real key isn't about you build, it's how you distribute it and how it solves a real life problem. Launch your product on Product Hunt, gather early users, and get real-time feedback. And if you already run an agency, build micro tools that solve your client's problem directly. And that's how you perfectly bridge between services and product. So time for some recap. The most 5 realistic ways to start in AI and make money is prompt engineering, voice and chat agents, AI content creation, automation agency, and SaaS. And all of them connect to each other. If you master one, you're already halfway to the next. Every great AI builder started small, with one project, one idea, and one experiment, and that's all it takes. And if you are a business owner looking to integrate AI into your workflow, that's exactly what we do at Zivon. We help you automate, scale, and build AI systems that actually make sense for your business. But for everyone else, start small, stay curious, and keep building. 2026 is going to be insane for AI, and this is the perfect time to get in early while everyone else is still researching. So see you in the next one.